To be or not to be, that is the question.
You come to me today and start quoting Shakespeare.
What is the boy gonna do? What is the boy gonna do, boss?
Wait a minute, which accent were you?